If you need to request a refund from Lyft for payment that you believe was processed incorrectly, follow these simple steps to ensure your request is handled efficiently. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your ride history and payment details. Step 2. Access ride history. Tap on the menu icon usually located in the top left corner and select Ride History. This will show you a list of all your recent rides. Step 3. Select the ride. Find the ride for which you want a refund. Tap on it to view the details, including fare breakdown and any charges that were applied. Step 4. Request a refund. Scroll down to find the option to report an issue or request a refund. Follow the prompts to explain the reason for your refund request, providing any necessary details. Step 5. Submit your request. After filling out the required information, submit your refund request. You should receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your request shortly after. Once you've completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from Lyft regarding your refund. If you have any further questions, you can always reach out to Lyft's customer support for assistance.